Hello guys, my name is Rushikesh Here and welcome to our channel Learn Code with Rushikesh. So in this video we are going to talk about the ways to swap two numbers in Java. Firstly, you have to create one class and having a main method. In this class we are taking three variable which name is a equals to 60 or int b equals to 50, and the third variable name is temporary, means temp. Do not initialize temporary variable because the default value of primitive data type is 0. So do not initialize temporary variable. So the logic is, and target is to assign a equals to 50 and b equals to 60. So temporary variable equals to a and a equals to b and b equals to temporary. And if you want to see the value of a and b, which means it is working or not, so sys out a equals to a or b equals to, sorry, so let's run the class and boom, the magic is here. A equals to 50 and b equals to 60. As our choice, as our logic, the code runs successfully. The second logic is to first comment it, then the second logic is a equals to addition of two variable, then subtraction of two variable and assigning to a second variable, and then a subtraction of two variable then assigning to first variable. A equals to a plus b and b equals to a minus b. A equals to, again, a equals to a minus b. Again you have to print both the statement. What if you want to see whether it is working or not and format the code, and boom, here is the output of a equals to 50 or b equals to 60. Thank you guys. For more videos please like and subscribe to our channel. We will meet in next video. Thank you.